How Lay's chips are made in a factory. Ever wondered how your favorite Lay's chips make their journey from a humble potato to the crunchy delight in your hands? The process is a fascinating blend of agricultural sourcing, advanced technology, and meticulous quality control. Here's an in-depth look at how Lay's chips are made in a factory. The journey of a Lay's chip begins with carefully selected potatoes. Lay's partners with farmers globally to ensure a consistent supply of high-quality potatoes. These potatoes are chosen for their specific size, starch content, and texture, which are ideal for producing crispy chips. Farmers follow strict guidelines to grow potatoes that meet the company's standards. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to factories in refrigerated trucks to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. When the potatoes arrive at the factory, they undergo a rigorous inspection process. Automated sorting systems equipped with cameras and sensors check the potatoes for size, shape, and quality. Any potatoes that don't meet the standards are discarded or redirected for other uses. 3. Cleaning and peeling. After passing the inspection, the potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris. They are then peeled using mechanical peelers, which gently remove the skin without damaging the potato. The peels are often repurposed as animal feed or for other agricultural purposes, minimizing waste. Once peeled, the potatoes are sliced into thin, uniform slices using high-speed slicers. The thickness of these slices is carefully calibrated, as it directly affects the texture and cooking time of the chips. Lay's uses advanced equipment to ensure each slice is consistent in size, which helps in even cooking. 5. Rinsing and starch removal. After slicing, the potato slices are rinsed in cold water to remove excess surface starch. Removing starch is crucial as it helps prevent the chips from sticking together during frying and ensures they come out light and crispy. The slices are then sent to large fryers, where they are cooked in vegetable oil at precisely controlled temperatures. The frying process is fast, typically lasting only a few minutes. The oil is constantly monitored and filtered to ensure quality and maintain the signature taste of Lay's chips. During frying, the moisture in the potato slices evaporates, leaving behind the crispy texture we love. The chips are then passed through a draining system to remove excess oil. After frying, the chips move to the seasoning stage. This is where the magic happens. The chips are tumbled in large rotating drums while flavoring powders are evenly sprinkled on them. Whether it's classic salted, barbecue, sour cream and onion, or unique regional flavors, each batch is coated to perfection. The seasoning process is automated to ensure that every chip is uniformly flavored, offering a consistent taste in every bite. Before packaging, the chips are cooled to room temperature. This step is essential as hot chips can lead to condensation inside the packaging, which would affect their crispness. Cooling also ensures that the chips retain their structure and flavor. 9. Packaging. The cooled chips are then transported to the packaging area, where they are weighed and portioned into bags. Lay's uses state-of-the-art packaging machines that seal the chips in airtight bags, preserving their freshness and crunchiness. The bags are filled with a controlled amount of nitrogen gas before sealing. This step, called gas flushing, prevents the chips from getting crushed and extends their shelf life by slowing oxidation. Throughout the production process, Lay's maintains strict quality control measures. Samples are taken from each batch to ensure the chips meet the brand's taste, texture, and appearance standards. Advanced technologies like X-ray scanners and metal detectors are used to check for any foreign objects, ensuring the product is safe for consumption. Once packaged, the bags of Lay's chips are packed into boxes and prepared for shipping. The distribution network ensures the chips reach stores, vending machines, and restaurants worldwide in a matter of days. Lay's is committed to sustainability. The company focuses on reducing water and energy usage, recycling waste, and sourcing potatoes responsibly. For example, excess oil is repurposed as biofuel. Potato peels are converted into animal feed or used in biogas production. Factories implement energy-efficient processes and aim to reduce their carbon footprint. 1. Lay's offers hundreds of unique flavors tailored to different regions. From masala flavors in India to wasabi in Japan, Lay's caters to local tastes worldwide. 2. Lay's chips are sold in more than 100 countries. 3. Speedy production. A Lay's factory can produce thousands of chips per minute, ensuring a steady supply to meet demand. The process of making Lay's chips is a seamless blend of technology, quality control, and craftsmanship. From sourcing premium potatoes to delivering the perfect crunch, every step is meticulously designed to ensure that each bag lives up to the brand's reputation. The next time you open a bag of Lay's, you'll know the incredible journey those chips have taken to bring a moment of joy and satisfaction to your day. Now you know the incredible journey every Lay's chip takes before reaching your hands. From careful sourcing to advanced technology and sustainable practices, it's truly a marvel of modern production. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more fascinating insights, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite Lay's flavor. See you in the next video.